Okay, let's get back. Second, we have global scope.
Global scope. So far, we've been working in the global scope. That means that when we define a variable or a function, that name is accessible in every other place in our program, even within other functions. For example, pi equals 3.14, def get area of circle radius, return pi radius radius. Because pi was declared in the parent global scope, it is usable within the get area of circle function. Assignment. Let's change how we are calculating our player's stats. The only thing we should need to define globally is the character level, and then let our functions do the rest. Declare the variable player level at the top of the global scope and set it to 4.
Let's just try this simple example. So pi is global variable. It should be accessible to everything in here. Let's define a gg variable called get area of circle, and let's give the radius 2, print gg. So now we have gg has pi, which is 3.14 times radius times 2, which is radius here, times 2 times 2. So if we run, okay, but it is 12.37. Okay, that's cool. Now let's get back to our example, our assignment. Because pi was declared in the parent global scope, it is usable within the get area circle function. Exactly, it was. Yeah. Okay.
Assignment. Let's change how we are calculating our player's stats. The only thing we should need to define globally is the character level, and then let our functions do the rest. Declare the variable player level at the top of the global scope and set it to 4.
All right, let's do it. So we have player level equals 4. This is, so guys, we have this calculate here function which accepts a modifier as an argument and returns the multiplication of player level times modifier. Let's try this. Then we're gonna print it here. So run, 4 times 10 is 14. Now we have this calculate primary stats function, which takes two arguments, armor bonus and modifier, and returns armor bonus plus modifier plus player level. So yeah, let's run. It's 15. In this print, guys, we call calculate primary stats and give it 3 for the armor bonus and 8 for the modifier plus player level. It doesn't need the player level parameter because it's already declared as global variable. So when we run, we're gonna get this. Character has 15, 8 plus this. Yeah, but if we define it inside this function, we can't use it anywhere else than this function. It's pretty simple, I guess. Let's submit. Okay, correct. Let's go. Okay, we have quiz. As I said, I already fixed it, so this is the answers. Sorry, guys.
Scope quiz. Pi equals 4, def get area of circle, radius area equals pi radius return area.
Does the get area of circle function have access to the pi variable? Yes, because the pi variable is in the global scope. Yes, because the function can always access any variable. No. So let's explain. The pi here is in the global scope, so it should be accessible anywhere else in the code, right? So Yeah, this is wrong, by the way. Functions can always access any variable. This is wrong. Functions can always access global scoped variables. Yeah. So this is the answer. Let's check explain. Okay, I will let you guys read this. I'm not gonna do it. This is why the function is 5 variable. Good job. So yeah, next. Yeah, same example. Can area inside in the get area inside this function be accessed outside the function? Yes, because tomatoes are fruits. Actually, let's search about this. Are tomatoes fruits or vegetables? Tomato. My freaking phone data. It's both. It's fruit from biological point of view. It's vegetable when viewed through awareness. Okay, I'll ask Gemini. Let's go. Yeah. So guys, yes, all variables are accessible anywhere in the program. No variables defined inside a function are not accessible outside of it. Okay, this is actually the right answer. So let's check the explanation. Okay, the coordinates, think of it like this. Pi. This pi is like a public sign, everyone can see it. Area. This area is like a secret receipt ingredient, only known inside in the kitchen function. Let him cook. We need to find a variable inside function, you know. Fuck. Alright. Damn. Wow. I'm actually good at it. 19 days win streak. I love it. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is boot.dev Discord server. There is check-in where you can like say what you have done. So I just finished scopes in Python. Next I will learn about Linux and unit tests in Python. So see you soon guys. Bye bye.